What is up, everybody? I'm Clawtime Vending, and today I am collecting from 3 of my bulk vending machines, starting off with this Pokemon card vending machine at a barbecue restaurant. So we'll go ahead and wipe it down, pop it open, and see how this machine did. Alright, and this tray is about halfway full. So we will take that, dump it in the bag, refill that side, and move on to the next. Alright, and that tray is about halfway full as well. So that brings the total to $225, for a total profit of $183 for 26 days. So we will go ahead and move on to the next location. Alright, we are now at the other barbecue restaurant, where I have the Gumball pinball machine. We will go ahead, wipe it down, pop it open, and see how this machine did. Alright, and this machine made $15.75 for a total profit of $13.23 in 25 days. Now we are at the Mexican restaurant that I have a triple head gumball machine in. So we will go ahead, pop off the top of the bouncy ball section, and see how it did. Alright, and the bouncy balls did $14 for a total profit of $8.40. Now we will check on the peanut M&Ms. Peanut M&Ms only did $1.75, so we will definitely have to switch that out in the future. But for now, let's go ahead and check on the Gumballs. And the Gumballs, they did $15.50 for a total profit of $13.02 for 18 days. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. If you really enjoyed and would like to see more vending and arcade content, consider subscribing. I will see you next time.